Welcome to Close to Home, where we explore issues happening right in our own backyard and all across north central Florida. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at hurricane season.
Well, hurricane is a very large collection of thunderstorms, and they form in the tropics where there's a lot of extra energy that needs to be transported up towards the poles. A lot of these thunderstorms develop, and then the Earth's rotation helps to organize the storms into more of a circular shape. And then as the air is flowing in towards the middle of the storm, it increases in speed, and then it's uplifted up into the troposphere, and so you get a lot of motion from the Earth's surface upwards. And so that brings the moisture upwards, which then condenses and creates the rainfall and releases energy into the environment.
Every year, June 1st marks the beginning of hurricane season.
While it's an official June 1st to November 30th, it's typically just a kind of a marker. The real activity typically picks up late July, early August. The peak is in September, and usually we see a downturn in activity in October.
Alachua County's Chief of Emergency Management, David Donnelly, explains what it means to be prepared for this year's season.
Get a plan, get a kit, be informed and be involved. Each family, each business should have a disaster plan. What are you going to do if hurricane, whatever is coming our way? Now's the time to plan, now's the time to put that kit together.
There's certain things that you can go ahead and get for, inside the house as far as water, Gatorade, flashlight, batteries. A lot of people will buy storage totes for putting valuables in. A lot of times there'll be power shortages, power outages. In that case, we sell both the whole house generators and portable generators that kind of restore a little bit of normalcy.
It's important to read instructions and use all of your hurricane supplies correctly.
With the portable generators, they are recommended to go ahead and keep those outside when they're running due to the carbon monoxide.
Now is also the time to get your home ready for a potential storm with everything from hurricane shutters to plywood.
Well, it's very important to actually get your house prepared for a storm, covering your windows to keep objects from coming through and to keep the weather and the rain out of your homes.
Shuttering of some sort, whether it's plywood or if you actually want to invest in a long-term solution, there are available products out there.
Essential to staying safe and being prepared is staying informed.
If you go to our website, which is www.alachuacounty.us/EM, you can go there, find out about our community emergency response team classes. You can find out about how to put together a supply kit. The curious thing is during 2004, until the power went out, the internet was a great thing, but once you lose power, AM, FM radio is really a good backup.
Regardless of the reports on how the hurricane season is being forecasted, it's better to be safe and prepared than sorry.
The forecasts come out for, it's an average season or above average season. People shouldn't think about, well, if it's, an average season, I should only prepare average. That doesn't correlate. In 1992, when Hurricane Andrew made landfall, it was the first storm of the year, and there really weren't any other major storms that year. So it wasn't an active year that we would think about as being active. It just takes that one storm forming in the right spot and making landfall kind of in the wrong spot to start to cause problems for people.
So start preparing today. I'm Dan Larkin for Close to Home.